Main engine lubrication system. Lub oil is collected in the sump tank. From sump tank, a lub oil pump is used to transfer oil. Then oil will go to cooler where temperature is maintained to 45 degrees Celsius. An auto backflushing filter or auto cleaning to keep oil clean before it go inside the main engine. After the filter, oil will go inside the piston rod to piston crown for cooling. Also, oil is used to cool down engine bearings like the main bearings. The engine don't have camshaft. Instead, an high-pressure supply system is used to open the exhaust valve. An electrical pump and a chain-driven pump is used to create high pressure enough to open the valve. After the pump, filter is used to keep lub oil clean before it go to engine. A fever valve is controlled by electronics where the timing of opening and injection of fuel oil are monitored. Now when it gives a signal, oil will go inside the exhaust valve and open it. When the engine is not running, an electric pump is used for creating high pressure to open the valve. Once the engine is running, the chain-driven pump will operate. A purifier is used to keep the oil continuously clean. It takes suction from sump tank and discharge the clean oil back to the sump. Turbocharger lub oil has different system. It has its own lub oil tank. A turbocharger lub oil pump is used to transfer oil. A cooler is used to maintain the oil temperature around 65 degrees Celsius. Before it go turbocharger, filter is used to keep oil clean. And from TC oil will return back to tank.